Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying basics, but move immediately into action. First, ensure the Wi-Fi hardware switch is on and airplane mode is off. Then plug an Ethernet cable if you can to isolate wireless faults. Open network settings and identify the active adapter name so you know what to test. Once done, disable and re-enable the adapter to reset its state and make sure you have admin rights for the next steps. This will let you run diagnostics and change drivers without interruption. You now perform deeper fixes that solve most issues. Run the built-in network troubleshooter and write down any error codes for clarity. Troubleshooting guides map directly to fixes. Next, open Device Manager, update the wireless or Ethernet driver, and if the problem began after an update, roll back the driver. Then run ipconfig/release and /renew and verify DNS entries. Change to a public DNS if needed. These steps correct software faults and restore proper addressing and name resolution. You finish by resetting the network stack and confirming connectivity. Run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset, then reboot to clear corrupt sockets and IP settings. After restart, test with ping to a reliable host and load a page. If that fails, boot into safe mode with networking or log in as another user to exclude profile conflicts. If everything else fails, use a USB Wi-Fi adapter or temporary Ethernet. This single hardware swap tells you if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.